Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? Dogecoin is blown up, my brother. Definitely, you can see here last 78.89% profit, and X are absolutely very good now, my brother. You can see here the highest price 0.22 USD dollar, and definitely the current price is also, my friend, near now 0.20 USD dollar. I hope, my brothers, they will hit now again, but in last days, my brother, every coin will dumps down and fails down. So therefore, my brother, as you can see here, just only we need to check out the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the current condition is going to be very critical now. But let's see. Yes, absolutely, my friend. You can see here minus 0.01% they are lost now. Definitely, my friend, the change occurring it also fails down from like that. As you can see here 0.01% they are losting, my brother. My brothers, this time if we just only check out, my friend, the last 4 hour chart, so we better understand. Oh my goodness, minus 0.66%. That's mean, my brothers, in last 24 hour Dogecoin will fails down. But that's a very bad news, my brother, for all of you. But please remember, oh my goodness, in last 24 hours minus 2.39% loss now. Dogecoin, it's a stable coin, but I can't expect this from Dogecoin, my brothers, today will fails down like that. But that's clear, my brothers, to upcoming time they will also move in upward direction. As you can see, my brother, after this fails they will also move in upward direction. So that's clear to after dump they will move and they will pumps up and they will move in upward direction. And absolutely, my friend, after this short fail I hope they will also pumps up and they will give you a profit now. So my brother, this time Dogecoin is completely on the trending in crypto market, but definitely especially short term investor, they are starting selling, so they will fails down. Because, my brother, when short time investor they are see, my friend, the short profit, so definitely in a short time they will sell it and buy it again now, my brother. So kindly holder, remember, my brothers, to upcoming time the price will be increasing, but there is a chance, my brothers, to in the second week they will fail us down more and more. So kindly please be ready for a risk, and definitely if you have any plan to sell it, so I think these days it's going to be very good now. Sell it and get a profit now, my brother. Thanks for watching, Dogecoin holder. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you enjoyed, so like the video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos and updates.